Alright, here we go. Here's my scope, and here we have my little mount. We've all seen these, readily available. The only difference in this and the mount is your grab screw running through. Keep that in mind. Bit of patini rail, little round file, as you can see, the slots made with the file, hence off, sit flush in the mount to tighten up. The hole in this one's been drilled, so it'll take my screw. Whip my screw up through on my camera. This one's camera mounted quite in the front. So reverse him round, throw him in, attach to camera. Simples. Unwind, slot in, do up. How quick's that? Locked, mounted. Making sure the little grooves remounted. As you can see, the slot over the top, easy life, loosen off, tighten up, hey presto, one solid mounted gun. It's that simple. When you're all done and finished, quick cut the winds, off shears, tighten her up so you don't lose your panic. Don't interfere with no other part of your gun. Simples. Unwind, give yourself a bit of room, slot her in, wind her in, and bingo lingo. Simples. That's how easy it is to mount a camera. Here we go. Piece of patini rail, filed in. That's in for different, in case I want to turn the mounting round. It's for different sizes.